A lot of people make a Facebook page and then sit and wait and wonder, why isn't anything happening? It's because you have to make things happen. It's really easy to have an interactive Facebook page, but it does take some work. One thing that often helps is to have a contest. You can use a website like WooBox. You can do one on your own. You can even use some of the Facebook tools the page offers. This can be as simple as comment with the Halloween costume I should wear, and I'll post a picture of it if you guys guess the right one. Or, hey, did anybody have a picture of themselves from the concert last night? Post it here and we'll share the best one with everybody else. Things that get people involved on your page and let them know that you really do care what they think. Now, contests are awesome, but unless you already have people following your page, it can be tough. How do you get people to follow your page? Well, the second you get anybody involved on your page, make sure you make it count. Make sure you tag them when you're posting something and say, hey, thanks for following. If they comment anything, like it. See if you can like anything on their actual profile that lets them show you, hey, I'm interested in you and I do care about you. It's that kind of two-way commitment that really helps get your page started. So there we go, 2 easy things. First, try to do a contest. Second, make sure that you're really interacting with the people that take the effort to interact with you. That's it. Good luck, and I hope that gets you started on your way to an amazing Facebook page.